guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Tosh, and if you're new and you end up liking this video, I hope that you subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, you should already know that I would die for you. I would take a bullet if you need me to. Today's video is an apartment tour, and I went and toured another place that's close to DU. It's called the Atelier. I'm pretty sure it's Atelier. Let's take a quick look at these apartments on maps so you guys know exactly where they're at. Okay, so like always, this red pin is exactly where these apartments are located. I just want you guys to know, if you take this all the way up to Colorado over here and then just hop on I-25 North, you can take this all the way downtown, and it's probably like a 20 to 25 minute drive depending on traffic and lights and stuff like that. But as you can see, these apartments are pretty close to the University of Denver over here. So if you're attending that school, this might be a good option. And I don't know if you guys remember, but we did tour the Muse, which is somewhere up here. But yeah, I feel like this is in a pretty good area. There's a bar nearby if you like to party. I've never been to that bar, so I have no idea if it's good. But I do also know down here on Colorado, there is Chick-fil-A, King Soopers, Ulta if you need to go shopping, and then Target, which is my preference. There's a post office over here, and I would show you down this way, but I live over here, so I don't really want you guys to know exactly where I live. But another thing to point out is Bird Call. If you haven't tried it, definitely recommend trying it. They're pretty good. So now that you know exactly where these apartments are located, I toured 2 units today. One was a model unit and one was just empty. We're going to be going over the empty one. It has a den, and then I'll show you guys the model unit at the end with the couple of amenities that I got for you guys. Starting with the first apartment, right when you walk in, you have your bathroom to the left. It has like big black tiles, oak cabinets with silver hardware, and then a white countertop. You do get the option to decide whether or not you want a bathtub or a stand-in shower, but this unit has a stand-in shower. I do like it. I like the tiles on the floor as well. And then also something that I want to point out that I think is like kind of cute is this little cubby area. You can like store some flowers there, pictures, whatever it may be. Across from the bathroom, you have the den, and I didn't realize it when I was looking in the den, but there are no lights, and I'm not sure if every single unit is like that, but there are absolutely no lights in these bedrooms. It was already like kind of dark when I was there, so I feel like those rooms would be dark all the time. That is one downside, but I feel like you have enough room in the den to like fit your entire office setup if you need. And then like diagonal from that, you have your washer and dryer, and in this unit specifically, there's a little bit of extra room next to the washer and dryer if you want to keep your hamper in there so it's out of your room. You definitely could do that. There's a little bit of a hallway, and then it takes you to your kitchen, which is on the left side. This kitchen is a lot bigger than the other unit that I saw, but it has more room for your like bar stools if you have that, so you don't have to get a table unless you want to. You have so much room in this kitchen, you can definitely like have multiple people cooking or cutting or preparing, doing whatever you do. You can have people sitting at the bar and entertain them while you're cooking, and you have a lot of counter space. I really like that, and I think it's important. Same cabinets and countertops as the restroom. However, these ones also have the dual tone cabinet. So on the bottom, you have that oak color with the silver hardware, and then on the top, you have white cabinets. So that is a little bit different. Moving on to the living room, I think this living room is actually really nice. This unit doesn't have a balcony. Some units do. If you want one, you can find one that has a balcony, but this unit has more space, and I think that I would prefer that, even though I really love having a balcony. It's kind of the move. But let me know down below, what do you guys prefer? Would you rather have a balcony or a lot of space? Yeah, I completely skipped the bedroom. In that hallway on the way to the kitchen and the living area, you have your bedroom, and the bedroom has like those sliding barn doors. I didn't take a video of it because it was pretty basic. They were just white. No lights in the bedroom, so sorry for the crappy shots. I didn't even bother taking more than one shot because you could barely see. However, they do have a light in the closet closet and this small closet, which I find a little bit weird. Like, why didn't you just put the light in the bedroom instead of the closet? I'm just curious. Okay, so that's pretty much everything with this specific unit. Here are the fees really quick. I did get those for you guys today. So if you want them, feel free to screenshot them. They're right here for you guys. And let's go take a look at the other amenities and the model unit that she showed me. This is just a regular 1-bedroom, about 714 square feet. And I believe the one that we just talked about was about like 890 or something like that is what she said. Stick around for that stuff. Subscribe so you don't miss out on any more apartment tours, especially if you're moving or looking to move. This is definitely the place to get your information. And I'll see you guys on Saturday. I'll see you guys then. Bye.
You never know until it happens. Ain't a thing you see coming a mile away. But suddenly lightning somehow